Delivery guy saw the customer's door open, so he casually shut it. 5 stars for manners. He felt grateful to his car, so he let the car ride him back. She saw a cow for the first time and jumped on. The cow was thrilled. Like, full rodeo thrilled.
Kid was thirsty. Dad say, squat and drink, nature style. She saw the hottest guy ever. Brain said, shut down.
It's coming. Are you ready? No.